Hello guys, how can we improve our English speaking? There are three tips to improve our English speaking. So the first tip is we have to practice speaking English more and more, even simple sentences. The second tip is to improve our vocabulary. We need to read books, newspaper and articles. And the third tip is we have to watch English movies and videos with subtitles because this will help us with pronunciation and listening. So guys, we have to learn vocabulary more and more because without words we cannot make sentence. So that is why words are necessary. And how can we add the words while making sentences? Automatically this will come out of our mouth when we will be a fluent speaker. But we need to learn the basic grammar. We don't need to learn more grammar. If we learn tense and basic structures, how to make sentences, then easily we can speak in English. There may be something mistakes, no problem. It is okay. One day we will be a fluent speaker by making mistakes. Yes, guys. So does not matter if we make mistakes while speaking, and if we are unable to correct pronunciation while speaking, no problem. At the starting point, we will not be able to sound correct pronunciation. It does not matter because at the beginning time we hesitate to speak fluently in front of the people, in front of the camera, because we are scared. When we are alone, then we can speak fluently without any mistakes. But when we speak in front of people, then we hesitate and we are not able to speak fluently. We make mistakes. We forget our words. We forget our sentences. What to say? Like this, it happens to me, guys. What to say, I know. But when I come in front of the camera to make videos, then I forget on which topic I will discuss in front of the camera. So then I become fail. So guys, it does not matter if I practice for a few months. So definitely this fear I will overcome, I think. Just you support me guys, and I will try to make videos regularly and upload on YouTube channel. Okay, so please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon that you get notification when I will upload videos, and share the videos to your other friends and let me know on which topic should I make videos. Let me know. I will try to make videos on that topic. And if you have any idea, if you have any knowledge, so share with me. No problem. Right? In the comment box. Comment box is open for you. So no problem. Anything you can write. Where I make mistakes, no problem. Find out that and mention that point in the comment box. Next time I will find them. Okay? Because I may make mistakes. I am not a robot. I am a man. I am a human. So I may make mistakes. So please forgive me guys. Okay? And through this channel, I say we will learn lots of things like English speaking, grammar and structures. And I make short videos on English structures. So please watch my short videos and how are the videos. So let me know in the comment. Okay. So guys, to learn English, there are the three tips. Just if we follow the three tips, so then definitely we can improve our English speaking. The first tip, we have to practice more and more. The second tip, to improve our vocabulary, we need to read books, articles, and newspaper. Words are necessary. Without words, we cannot make any sentences. And the third tip is we have to watch English movies, English lectures, videos, with subtitle, because if we watch with subtitle, then this will help to understand lectures and to sound our pronunciation. So guys, thanks for watching till now. See you again in the next videos.